Justice Sandra Day O'Connor and Justice David Souter have called on us to lead the re-education of our citizens in their public responsibilities. President Zach has answered that call. This resolution allows us to recognize that the obligation is a fundamental responsibility that we have as attorneys. The ABA has a long tradition of supporting civic learning. In 1971, President Leon Jaworski established a special committee on youth education for citizenship. That evolved in 1983 into the Division of Public Education. The ABA has actively supported policies dealing with furthering the public understanding of and confidence in the rule of law. We have passed resolutions calling on lawyers to actually engage in civic education in their communities. This resolution encourages all lawyers to consider it part of their fundamental responsibility to ensure that all students experience high-quality civic learning. The public can never appreciate that we live in a society governed by the rule of law if they do not understand what that means. It is incumbent upon all of us to ensure that young people learn that living in a society governed by the rule of law, what it means and what responsibility that imposes on them as citizens. We urge that you support Resolution 110.
Thank you. There's no opposition. Any other parties wish to speak? Yes. Mr. Fox. The chair recognizes Mr. Fox, the New York Young Lawyer Delegate, in support of 110.
Thank you, Chair Hubbard and fellow members. Please just give me 30 seconds to speak on something that is of very much importance to me. I am the New York Young Lawyer Delegate to this great House, and this is an important issue at a time where we are fighting for democracy and rule of law and rule by the people across the world. The time to act is now. As attorneys, we are stewards of a great and thousands-year-old profession, which is part of the basis of our democracy. In the Orange County Bar Association in New York, I chair the Speakers Bureau, and our purpose is to speak at schools and libraries and other fora concerning the role of attorneys, the courts, the legislative process. I encourage others to do the same and to support this resolution. The people of this nation must understand how their government works in order for this to remain a nation of the people, by the people, for the people. Our great fellow attorney and president, Abraham Lincoln, spoke those words in the 1860s, and they should have no less relevance or meaning today. And I encourage your support and your activity on this issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Fox.